Well, folks, it's been hotter than Georgia asphalt around the Alabama area, and it is still warm outside. Currently with 84 degrees outside, winds out of the southeast at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Relative humidity at 59%, and it feels like, well, it feels like it's hot outside if you ask me. Sultry conditions are all across the region as B-Town, Birmingham is at 86 degrees. The Lassie's in Tallahassee currently at 73 degrees. Gulfport is at 87 degrees. Pensacola 82, and Jackson 94 degrees. A big bubble of no trouble is sitting on top of the whole southeast right now, making the afternoon weather steamier than a Starbucks latte. A few clouds are centered over an old frontal boundary in the Ohio Valley region, and a few widespread afternoon thunderboomers are still hanging around the area here in the southeast. A weak cold front is slowly moving across the central United States and will begin to move into our area by, well, the end of the week with that big blue letter of good weather. Of course, high pressure moves east and allows rain to come on down by the cold front and the possible influence of Hurricane Bert, which we will discuss in just a minute. Now let's take a look at Super Doppler 3000, which by the way is much better than Super Doppler 2999, brought to you by Hank's Hardware. We see a few strong thunderstorms or thunderboomers just to the east of Pensacola, moving east at around 5 miles per hour. They won't be getting a speeding ticket as they crawl eastward at 5 miles per hour. Now, some of these storms could possibly drop a couple of tornadoes in western Florida, but the storms will likely fizzle out in the next few hours. You may get a few raindrops falling on your head before the afternoon is completely gone. Hurricane Bert is now entering the Gulf of Mexico, and Ernie is nowhere to be found at this time. Maybe that Super Doppler can locate him. Until then, Bert could be getting closer to the Mobile area in the next 5 days. Right now, it is a Cat 1 hurricane of 75 miles per hour winds, which means it's blowing more hot air than a congressman. This storm is not a threat right now, but it will continue to churn up fish until later this week. We'll see what happens. For this evening, look for a 100% chance of darkness to occur. Partly cloudy skies and a low of 70 degrees in the morning. And for tomorrow, much of what you saw today with scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon and a few that could get strong, and a high temperature of 96 degrees. For the next 7 days, we have shampoo weather. It's basically wash, rinse, and repeat. Same stuff, different day with highs in the upper 90s and lows in the low 70s. By Friday, Bert could be on the street, and front could be bringing some rain showers. For WHBC, I'm Rob Knight.